right here.
Bigger Day everyone! This is Match sa Matcha and I'm Rizzo, your resident matcha girly! And I'm here to try weird matcha combinations so you don't have to. Ano na? Let's go! Hello! So, ito-try natin today si Sunny Boris. Syrups for matcha, coffee, and more. Oh, ang dami nila binadala! Banana bread syrup ang gagamitin natin at i-pair natin siya with Kumatcha Uji no Shiro. Oh, teray! Huwag kayo sa matcha na to. First harvest na siya, stone milled pa siya, partially handpicked, single origin pa. Oh, ano ba yan? Bonggang-bongga pa siya kasi sweet hints of umami and slightly nutty and chocolatey as latte. Oh. Ano? Galing daw to sa Kyoto and yung ratio na ginamit natin dito ay yung golden ratio ng matcha. Alam niyo na yan, okay? Okay, let's assemble the drink. Naglalagay tayo ng madaming yellow. Para sa lang yellow today? Tama, para sa mga gusto mag-resign pero hindi pa rin nakaalis. Eto na yung tea. Umalis ka na dyan. Naglalagay tayo ng 20 grams ng Sunny Boris banana bread syrup. Tapos 100 to 150 ml ng coconut milk. Dapat coconut milk. Hindi, charot. Kahit anong milk gamitin nyo. Tapos ilalagay na natin yung matcha and then you're good to go. Sobrang swabe nung banana bread syrup. As in, lasang-lasa mo talaga yung banana. I really like it. Very, very comforting din for some reasons. I don't know why and how, pero yun. For the matcha naman, I really like it. Very smooth and swabe din yung lasa niya. More of sweet hints of umami yung nakuha ko kaysa dun sa nutty and chocolatey. Pero sobrang sarap niya. I like it. Very high quality yung lasa niya. Ayo! Thank you so much, Kumatcha and Sunny Boris. Bye!